Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
You are going to attend a credit manager interview tomorrow in
Yes,
Punjab
sir.
National Bank.
Yes, sir.
So, congratulations.
Sir, is it audible, sir?
Yeah, it is audible. It is audible.
Okay, sir.
Now tell me
Okay, sir.
your basic degree. What is your degree?
Sir, BSc Agriculture, sir. Bachelor of Science in Agriculture.
Oh, after that, where are you working now?
Sir, after that, I done my post-graduation in Agri-Business Management, sir.
Postgraduate agricultural?
Agri-Business Management.
Oh, agri-business management.
Yes,
It's a
sir.
2-year degree.
Yes, sir. Two-year degree. Try semester, sir.
Very good. After that, you are working in which organization?
After that, I got selected in the campus interview and working in the trade sector, sir. IDFC, it's a subsidiary bank of IDFC.
Oh, subsidiary bank of
Yeah. So it's a subsidiary of IDFC Bank.
IDFC Bank. Do you have certificate of say with the letter pad of IDFC?
Yes, sir. I got the letter pad experience certificate yesterday only, sir.
Very good. That's good.
It's so difficult to get the certificate without relieving the private sector.
Exactly. Very good. That's good.
Yes, sir.
Now, what is your exposure to credit management?
Sir, I have 1.5 years experience in the credit manager.
Acha?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir. There is no other. I don't have any other experience except that credit manager, sir. I got directly selected into the credit manager. I posted in Coimbatore district for now handling two branches, sir.
Oh, acha, 2 branches.
Yes, sir.
So no, but you say that I have a rich exposure in credit management.
Okay, sir.
Don't say I don't have any other exposure.
Okay, sir.
Negative சொல்லக்கூடாது.
Okay, sir.
You have to tell positive. Do you know Tamil?
Yes, sir. I know Tamil, sir.
Very good. So you have exposure in credit management. Good. That's good. Now, what are the papers you will ask for when you are considering a high limit, say around 50 crores, 100 crores for a party, say a limited company party?
Okay, sir.
What are the documents you will ask for?
Yes, sir. First of all, I want to first KYC document, sir. It's necessary, mandatory for every loan application process.
Okay.
Because without KYC, we cannot proceed the loan application. After that, if it is MSME, then we go for the license or micro, small, medium enterprises like some other certificates, sir.
Okay.
If it is larger sector, then we will go for the balance sheet and the income statement, sir. Then we will proceed with the owner's about the credit score, about other track records. Then we will go through it, sir. We go through other if all loans are if any defaults are there, all loans are which are repayment track record. Repayment track record of the company, sir. After that, we will go for the first of all we will go through the tele verification through mobile. After that, we go directly to the customer place and verify the customer if he is working for that loan. It is after that all the verifications are finished. The standard of living is good. Then we will proceed according to accrual. If it is big company, then we will go for accrual based accrual based cash flow, sir. About the expenses and revenues, is mentioned in the balance sheet and income statement. All will go through it, and after that assessment, we will then wait for the loan process, sir.
Good. You have not mentioned in detail about the credit rating agencies and all that, and the credit rating of the company as a whole, and also of the directors. And I think you have to go through the director's number, DIN number, based on that, whether there is any black mark against that person. That also you must satisfy.
Okay, sir.
I hope you are doing it regularly, but you have forgotten to mention that.
Sir, now I am handling only micro small medium loans only, and
Oh,
after that, personal loans only.
acha,
I
only
can
that. How many files are you handling in your two branches?
in two branches. My I handled about daily at least two or three files, sir.
Acha,
In
every day two or three new files will be
every day
seen.
two or three files, they will log in on the they will process in the loan, and we will proceed further, sir.
Acha, good. And do you perform a review renewal regularly? Are you performing a review of the accounts, a renewal of the accounts properly? In your bank, don't you have a system of renewal after 1 year?
Yes, sir. There is a we struct there is a we fix the tenure before the application of the loan, sir.
No, no, I'm talking about you have sanctioned a loan, Prati has availed the loan. Afterwards, you are supposed to review it and renew it
Yes, sir.
periodically.
In this check, we have to verify after the when the loan amount is sanctioned to the customer's account.
Mm,
We, how they effectively use for use for the business to grow for the expansion of the business.
mm. No, no,
Then
you must go through the accounts thoroughly in
yes,
detail to
sir.
find out whether it is going as per projections.
Yes, sir. We will go through the each and every track record of the customer, sir.
Very good. Excellent. Now, what are the precautions you will obtain in the case of partnership firms?
Sir, in case of partnership firms, the partnerships are partnerships that is of only 2 or 3% which are joined together to form the business. Then there should be a then easy, the formation of the business should be of easy, but in case of the liability, it should be little much risky, sir, because we should not go for the partnership loan, sir,
You,
in
sh-
our sector.
you should not go for partnership loan.
No, sir,
Why?
because if the partnership is based on whose ownership is involved in that, we cannot know. We don't know, sir.
No, no. Banks do finance for partnership. Only thing is they insist that the firm should have been registered. There should be
Yes,
a written partnership deed and
yes,
the firm should have been registered
yes, sir. It, in the
with the
registered in
registrar of firms.
register of terms in the scheme of IT or revenue documents.
Yeah, it should have been registered properly.
Yes,
And
sir.
then we also take the individual signatures of the partners for their co-obligant liability.
Hope
So,
we can direct.
co-obligant liability, we take the signature of the partners so that
Okay, sir.
everybody is responsible for that.
Okay, sir.
Have you
For
heard of joint,
yes, sir. Joint account.
no, no,
We
limited liability partnership? Have you heard? There is a concept known as limited liability partnership.
yes, sir.
Have you heard about it?
Yes, sir.
What is that?
The limited liability partnership is that if some they have the limited liabilities only.
Hmm.
If the
Correct.
partner if the elements if each partner is responsible, the every partner is responsible for that. If there is any misconduct or negligence in that partnership, then we will not provide the loan, sir.
See, actually, in the absence of limited liability under partnership deed, all partners are liable fully.
Okay, sir.
All partners are liable for the full debts of the firm. But under limited liability partnership, partners can limit their liability up to their capital. So, beyond which you cannot proceed against the personal assets of the partners. Okay,
Okay, sir.
very good. That's right. Now, can you tell me one or two accounts without mentioning the name of the accounts, very well operated accounts which you have sanctioned? What are they manufacturing? What is their business? Hello?
Like retail trading, like the
Yeah,
like
anything that you feel is good. Some at least some 50 lakhs, 100 lakhs like that. You don't have big accounts?
No, sir. We generally proceed up to loan amount up to 5 lakhs only, sir.
5 lakhs only.
Yes,
Achha,
sir.
you are working in which company you said?
IDFC, sir.
IDFC named non-banking.
Infrastructure Development Finance Corporation, sir.
Oh, acha. Only 5 lakhs. It's a very
Yes,
small,
sir.
very small amount.
It's an unsecured loan, sir.
All are unsecured loan.
All are unsecured, sir.
Okay, that's right. So what are the credit rating companies you are aware of?
Credit rating companies, sir.
Hmm.
Uh, like Civil,
Hmm.
Crystal,
Hmm. Credit rating companies in India. If you put that, you will get CRISIL, ICRA, CARE, SMERA, Fitch India, Brickwork Ratings.
rating.
Okay,
Okay, sir.
so many companies are coming like this. Did you study CAIIB, JAIIB?
No, sir.
Acha, you have not studied. Okay, doesn't matter. Now, have you had any problem in your accounts where recovery was difficult for you?
No, sir. What are the loans I considered so far? I didn't get even a single day liquid in my loan track, sir.
No, no problem in recovery.
No problem in my account, sir.
Very good.
We first of all we first analyze the customer's first point of view, what they are requiring for, what the loan is requiring for. Then we will proceed the loan, sir. And after that, after we sanction the loan, we go for the end use check, sir. Whether the applicant is fully consumed the loan, or else he use it for some other purposes. Uh, so we generally go and verify the loan whether it is correctly used or not. So there is no so far I sanctioned about more than 1 crore, sir.
No, no, you are talking too much. For a question which you need to tell briefly, you are talking for too much time. Be aware of that. புரிஞ்சுதா?
Okay, sir.
ரொம்ப அதிகமாக பேசுகிறீர்கள்.
Okay, sir.
அப்புறம் அனாவசியமா மாட்டிப்பீங்க. கொஸ்டின்ல ஏதாவது கேட்டு உங்களை மாட்டுவாங்க.
Okay, sir.
What is the balance sheet?
The balance sheet it's a financial statement which is used to analyze the financial position of the company at the time of at a particular time. It consists of assets, liabilities, and that of and equities, sir.
What are the components of liabilities?
Components of liabilities consist of creditors, the long-term loans, and the account receivables.
Account receivables.
Yes, account payables, sir. Sorry, sir. Account payables and
no, that is why you are not familiar with commerce balance sheet. You are not familiar. Balance sheet liabilities side you will have capital, reserves, then long-term liabilities, short-term liabilities. What are known as current liabilities?
The current liabilities, the amount to be paid within 1 year. Within 1 year.
Very good, good. Can you tell me something about the components of asset side?
Components of assets. There is two types, sir. One is current assets, and that of current assets, and another is tangible and intangible assets, sir.
No. You should tell fixed assets.
Fixed assets.
And then current assets.
Current assets.
Then intangible assets.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Very good. So what do you understand by the term trial balance and why it is taken? Hello,
sir.
What is trial balance?
The trial balance is the general ledger account in which both the revenue and the capital are contained in the ledger, sir.
The best definition of trial balance is that it's a statement showing the debits and credits available in the general ledger. As on any date, they must tally. This is taken to ensure that the accounting is going on properly and there is no difference. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Very good, very good. Now, why should we select you?
Sir, as you given the job as a job role, there is a, you mentioned job description. There is a requirement for that of a credit manager post. I done my MBA and because as I am from the agriculture background, I little much well known about little much known about that of credit is one of the main backbone for the agriculture. Without credit, we cannot go for that. Agriculture today is most of the 50% of the people depends on the agriculture and of credit and most of the small and marginal farmers. They generally require the loan for the each and every for long-term investment for the establishment of that agriculture. So,
okay. Now tell me, have you gone through the PNB profile?
Yes, sir. I gone through the PNB profile, sir.
Tell me some few points about PNB.
The PNB is a totally a Indian capital owned sector, sir. Because it's the first Indian capital owned sector. Which starts on the business starts on 12th April 1845, sir. 1895, sir.
See, இப்ப அதை சொல்லணுமா? இப்ப நம்ம இருக்கிறது 2021ல நம்ம வந்து இப்ப இருக்கிற பஞ்சாப் நேஷனல் பேங்க் பத்தி பேசணும். நீங்க பேசுறத பார்த்தா எதுவுமே தெரியல, சும்மா அப்படியே சுத்துற மாதிரி இருக்குது. அப்படி இருக்கக்கூடாது. பஞ்சாப் நேஷனல் பேங்க் யாரு, அது என்ன, அதோட டோட்டல் டெபாசிட் என்ன, அட்வான்ஸ் என்ன, காசா டெபாசிட் எவ்வளவு ப்ராஃபிட், அப்புறம் எவ்வளவு என்பிஏ அப்படின்னு பிட்டு வைக்கணும். டக்கு டக்குன்னு சொல்லணும். சொல்லுங்க பார்க்கலாம். நீங்க படிச்சது போறலையோ? படிச்சீங்களா?
படிச்சேன் சார்.
சரி, சொல்லுங்க. இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் நல்லா சொல்லுங்க. ஸ்டார்டிங்ல இருந்து ஆரம்பிக்க கூடாது.
ஓகே சார்.
ஏன்னா இப்ப இருக்கிற பொசிஷனை பாக்குறதுக்கே நமக்கு நேரம் இல்லை. உங்க இன்டர்வியூ ஜஸ்ட் 5 minutes தான்.
ஓகே சார்.
இன்னைக்கு ஒருத்தர் இன்டர்வியூக்கு போயிட்டு வந்திருக்காரு. கேட்டீங்க இல்லையா? 5 நிமிஷம் தான் இன்டர்வியூ. அதுக்குள்ள நீ வந்து கரெக்டா சொல்லணும். சொல்லு பார்க்கலாம். பஞ்சாப் நேஷனல் பேங்க பத்தி உனக்கு என்ன தெரியும்?
Punjab National Bank now around 10,930 branches, sir.
சரி.
Among that, most of them are rural branches, sir. 30% of them are rural branches.
Good.
The CASA deposit of you got in the September. They mentioned only the September 2020, sir.
Yeah.
The CASA deposit of about 45,000 and about 4,61,000, sir.
Correct.
As we compare with the last year business performance, they all this year was they performed great, sir.
What is the profit for second quarter? September quarter க்கு எவ்வளவு net profit? 621 crore.
Okay, sir.
First quarter 308 crore. Okay. What is the capital adequacy ratio of Punjab National Bank as on September? 12.84%. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Very good, very good. What is the gross NPA of Punjab National Bank?
The gross NPA is around 96,000, sir.
Good. 96,314. Net NPA how much? Net NPA 30,920.
Okay, sir.
Very good, very good. Excellent. Now we will move on to priority sector lending.
Okay, sir.
How much priority sector lending Punjab National Bank has done? Priority sector, they have given 2,78,384 crore, out of which 1,21,1 102 crore is given for agriculture.
Yes, sir. 1,21,000 crores.
102 is for agriculture.
Agriculture.
Now tell me how much bank should give for priority sector? What percentage of total advances?
About 40%, sir.
Very good.
For agriculture.
In the case of small banks, how much they should give?
In case of small banks, it's around
75%.
75%, sir.
In the case of RRB, also 75%. Now you have gone through the website of Punjab National Bank.
Yes, sir.
Tell me some salient features of Punjab National Bank's loan portfolio. What are the different types of loans are they granting?
Sir, personal loan. We are offering different products, sir. Especially the personal, the MSME, micro small medium enterprise loans. Then retail loans. Then two-wheeler, commercial, and that of business loans also they are providing. And KCC loan also providing the bank.
What is KCC? Very good. What do you understand by working capital? How will you decide working capital finance? I think you will be doing it in your branch also.
Yes, sir. Working capital is assets and liabilities required for the daily usage of for running the business, sir, for the company.
Okay. So நீங்க வந்து நெட்ல போய் பார்த்து படிங்கோ.
Okay, sir.
PNB offers working capital financing to meet short-term requirement for managing day-to-day operations. PNB's working capital finance extended to meet different demands from all segments of industry, trade and services sector. Assistance extended by both as fund-based and non-fund-based facilities to corporates, partnership firms, proprietary concerns. Funded facilities include cash credit, demand loan, bill discounting. Non-funded instruments comprise letter of credit (inland and overseas) as well as bank guarantees, performance and financial to cover advance payments and bid bonds. புரிஞ்சுதா?
Okay, sir.
Very good. Housing finance up to what amount is classified as priority sector?
Up to 30 crores, sir.
Up to 30 crores,
30 lakhs.
35 lakhs.
35 lakhs.
And in the case of non-metro areas and all, it is 25 lakhs. Okay, tell me different sectors of priority sector.
The agriculture.
Okay.
Education.
Okay.
Housing. Housing. Then retail trade. Construction. And small scale industries. And renewable energy, sir.
Education விட்டுட்டீங்களே. Education, infrastructure இதெல்லாம் சொல்லணும். பரவாயில்ல, நோ ப்ராப்ளம். ஸோ அது சொல்லலை, அதையும் சொல்லியிருந்தா நல்லா இருந்திருக்கும். ஓகேயா? வெரி குட். ப்ரையாரிட்டி செக்டார் சொல்லிட்டீங்க. சரி, what are the various services that are rendered by banks?
Sir, it's a e-banking services, sir.
Okay.
So one of the important service rendered by most of the banks for the customer, easy customer transaction, sir. Then ATM, automated teller machine, is another one of the important service.
இன்னும் நல்லா விவரமா சொல்லணும். Deposits, advances, under deposit different deposits, under advances different advances. Then ancillary services like locker facility, check collection, and then bank assurance services, then all government business like Atal Pension Yojana. Okay.
Okay, sir.
What is Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana?
Sir, it's It's a bank account scheme, sir. It's generally for the overdraft account of overdraft. We can access the overdraft of about 5,000, sir.
Ippa 10,000. It has been revised to 10,000.
Okay, sir.
Basic savings bank. Okay, very good. Have you heard of the term banking ombudsman?
Banking ombudsman.
Yaar avare? You don't know.
Okay.
Banking ombudsman is a person to whom bank customers have to make a complaint if their complaint is not resolved by the branch after 30 days. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Within 30 days, if it is not redressed by the branch, then the customer has got a right to ombudsman.
Governor of the PNB.
Banking ombudsman.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Excellent. Now, what is meant by GST?
Goods and service tax, sir.
What was important thing that happened in Parliament on 1st February?
Sir, it's an announcement of union budget, sir.
Okay. Do you remember some of the important points of union budget? Okay, doesn't matter. Now
Okay.
come to ratios. Can you tell me different ratios that are relevant for us
Yes,
to?
sir.
Yeah.
Activity ratio, liquidity ratio, solvency ratio, and profitability ratio, sir.
Sorry. Tell me any one ratio.
It's activity ratio, sir. This is generally used to calculate the efficiency of the company. In which that how much the company, how much they are utilizing to convert the inventories into the cash and make them to use them for the fixed assets and the working capital, sir.
Okay, what is meant by CSR?
Corporate social responsibility, sir.
What are the various CSR of PNB?
The PNB provides the sanitation and that of sanitation. In terms of sanitation, they provide hygiene at the time of COVID-19 masks and sanitizers, sir.
Pardon. Okay, what else? What else are they providing? Corporate social responsibility.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please read about that. Get to know about that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Very good. Now, next, one more question for you. What do you understand by financial inclusion?
So financial inclusion is that getting the bank services to the rural areas, sir.
Okay.
Getting by attracting rural customers, mainly rural customers, to get into the banking services. The customer, basically banking and the customer relationship, making the banking and customer relationship. They especially the PNB under the three schemes, sir. Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana, and Atal Pension Scheme, sir. Through the schemes, they develop the social security of the rural people, sir.
What are the various two famous insurance policies that was introduced to get it done under this one, that is financial inclusion? PMSSBY, PMJJBY.
Yes, sir. Suraksha Bima Yojana and Jeevan Bima Yojana, sir.
Very
Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana.
Thank you. What is your age?
Sir, 25, sir.
Only 25?
Yes, sir.
Good. Very good, very good. But you have studied agriculture. Have you ever tried for agriculture officer jobs in IBPS?
Yes, sir. I got selected. I am trying for the agriculture officer, sir.
You have written for main exam?
Yes, sir. RRB PO main.
RRB PO main you have written?
Yes, sir.
You are waiting for the result?
Yes, sir.
Okay. But don't tell them.
Okay, sir.
Do not tell them about that. That's not required.
Okay, sir.
Very good. What do you understand by the term SEBI?
The Security and Exchange Board of India, sir.
What are they doing?
So mainly they governing the stock and the share market, stock and share market, sir.
Very good. What are
They
mutual?
are the regulatory bodies of stock and share market.
What are mutual funds?
So mutual funds is the collective fund, sir. We can collect so through the person we can collect and invest in that invest in the to get the financial needs. So
Okay.
it's a collective investment.
Mutual fund, they sell units and then they invest in shares and they share the profit they got from them.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Very good. Excellent. Now, do you have any questions? We have been talking for 30 minutes. Your real interview will be only 5 minutes.
Okay, sir.
ஏன் இவ்வளவு தவிக்கிறீங்களே சரியா சொல்லலையே எனக்கு உங்களுக்கு திருப்தியா இருக்கா நீ சொன்னது
I know, sir, but I didn't know much about the finance. That's why maybe the last.
Why have you not studied?
So because I done in agribusiness management, not in finance. That's why I am liking in finance.
Oh, you are preparing for agriculture that exam?
Yes, sir. So, but I am trying to cope up with the finance, but
I'm unable. Credit management மட்டும் உங்களுக்கு தெரியணும். Balance sheet, ratio analysis, அப்புறம் வந்து credit rating agencies, அப்புறம் working capital, turnover, அப்புறம் term loan financing. These are routine things you must know. இன்னும் டஃப்பான கேள்வி எல்லாம் கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. Insubordinated debt அப்படின்னா என்ன? அது ரொம்ப கஷ்டமா இருக்குது. Insubordinated debt netல search பண்ணி பாருங்க.
Long term instrument, capital market instrument. The name for the Japanese.
Yeah. Good. I don't want to discourage you. Go with confidence. Go with a smile. Tell them what you are doing and tell whatever questions you know, answer properly.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
So best wishes. Thank you. All the best.
Thank you, sir.
Which hotel are you staying now?
The stage in Mahal. I really don't know the residency name, but residency.
Where is it?
It's nearby, around 3 kilometers nearby PNP.
Very good. Best wishes. Congratulations. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
And kindly tell me the questions tomorrow.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, very good. We are. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Yeah. Divakar Reddy, I cleared Karnataka Bank examination, got interview, completed MSc, no problem. Distance education also eligible. When results will be declared by PNB, no idea. Normally nowadays banks don't delay, they announce within 1 month. Rajita Uruganti, when I will give call to you, please download the materials I have given you, prepare and also go through SBI website, be thorough about it, and after knowing things correctly, when you want to get a mock interview, kindly remit to Google Pay. Kindly remit to Google Pay for this number 90030375557. To this number you pay ₹100 and then tell me one day when I can arrange for a mock interview. If you are a working person, the best idea is to have it during Saturday, Sunday, during daytime. This guy has been approaching and tomorrow he has got an interview and he takes it at this time. I wanted to have it yesterday, he could not. Today morning he could not because he had to travel. So don't postpone your interview, mock interview till the last minute. It will be difficult. You will have tension. So after reading reasonably for 3 or 4 days, 5 days, when you can take a mock interview, please pay the money and refer to me. Send the email also, samba.siban gmail.com. Whenever you write, you must write giving your phone numbers also. Give also details of payment made by you so that I can arrange for the interview as much early as possible. Thank you. If anybody has got any questions online, you can ask. I think Aparna attended one day interview. Correct. Some of these days, I remember you attended. Yeah. Any questions? Anybody? If you are attending for some interview, any questions? Please ask. Otherwise, I enjoyed conducting interview for this person. But one thing is, I want everybody to succeed. But many people apply for that simply because they have 1 year experience in bank, not knowing they must have sufficient exposure to the field you are applying. That is what is more important. And some people are lucky to get it even though they don't have exposure. It is all God's wish. I wish all of you best of luck. Thank you so much. Bye. Best wishes. Rajita Oruganti, please send email, then I will arrange for it. But before that, please read. Please read. Please get to know about SBI. Be willing to talk about yourself, why we should select you, and all basic questions. Then general banking, deposits, advances. Anyone, you must be strong. Thank you. Bye.